What's up, guys? Today we got one of our buddies' Hondas, and he is dealing with the issue of the plastic's fading. It's got this pinkish color to it. You can kind of tell, if you can compare that to that, how it's done got pretty faded. It's got that pinkish color. So today we've got the heat gun. We're going to work on it and try to get that red and bring it back. I'll show y'all a little snippet of how it works. Let this thing heat up for a second. As you can see, just from a few seconds of doing that, it brought that red back. You can get it really hot. You don't want to get it too hot though, because it can bubble and you don't want to melt your plastics completely. But this is pretty much the best fix besides buying new plastics. It saves a whole lot of money. I know a lot of Honda people, they have problems with this. Out of these year model bikes and older, and pretty much any kind of bike can get faded with these kind of plastics. But we're going to go ahead and swap to a time lapse, so hopefully y'all get some satisfaction out of that. Alright, so it's looking a lot better already. We got this fender done. I stopped for a minute because the heat gun was starting to get pretty hot. But if you check out this side, compared to that, it looks wonderful. So we're going to go ahead and get the rest of the bike. Now the rear fenders are pretty faded. And when we get done with it, we're going to try this stuff on it. It's SC1 from Maxima. It's high gloss coating. It's new bike in a can. Prevents mud buildup. And rubber protects against elements. So pretty much it just beads off water. It's good stuff. I've used it plenty of times. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and snap back to the time lapse and we'll keep it going. I know it's going to take a minute, but it'll definitely be worth it. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe also. Help a brother out. Anyways, enjoy the video. We're going to get back to the time lapse. we are done. Got the plastics. They look way better now. They match up with the new plastics that were on there pretty good. Now that we've applied the heat to it. So we're going to try some of this SE1. Get it shined up. I'll show you what that looks like in just a second. But yeah, guys, if y'all have any bike that is faded like that, definitely I would recommend trying this unless you want to buy new plastics. I know that can be pricey sometimes. But anyways, we're gonna put some SE1 on, and I'll pop back up and I'll show you what it looks like with that on there. Alright guys, we got this SE1 sprayed on, and I know some people they spray it on and wait for a while till they wipe it off, but I can't lie, man. It's starting to rain out here, but I can't lie, it looks great. So anyway guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Y'all please don't forget to subscribe. That helps us out way more than you would even think. We'll see y'all in the next one.